crazy squeaky clean. Forget about it. That's the best shave I've ever had yet. Have you guys? Very slick. Real nice. 6 plate in here. What to expect. Not that that's a bad thing. The Sandalwood, yeah, it smells good. It was a great pass for me. Feels a little light. I added too much water. I'm gonna go back to the Rockwell 6C with the number 6 plate. And I'm not giving up on these blades yet. Everybody loves these Nacet blades, so I'm gonna give it another shot. Highly disappointed that they don't work on my face because everybody that I watch on YouTube, they all love those blades. So quite, yeah, a little upset. So it did work out great in the number 4 plate, the Nacet blade. So I'm gonna try that with a number 6. I've got 3 days of growth here today. So we're working with something today. And I also had come in Taylor of Old Bond Street Sandalwood. Everybody on YouTube that I like loves this stuff. So, and I gotta say the consistency of it, it's soft. So this is interesting. Oops, I've never had a soap like that. So this is gonna be new for me. And still using the Simpson synthetic T3 knot. Still got that going on. So I'm gonna put some of this in my shave bowl. I think that's enough. We'll see. And I'll rub the excess on my face. And I'll go in for a lather. From what I've seen from other content creators on YouTube that I like, this stuff is creamy and lathers up nice. This first time I'm gonna use a bowl because I'm not sure what to expect. So I'm gonna go that route first. Now I always thought that the beef talons in these soaps and creams made it slick. We're gonna see because this doesn't have any beef talons in it. So I'm interested to see what this does. And the Sandalwood, yeah, it smells good. We'll see if it's overpowering. I mean, I like wearing cologne, so I don't want it to, you know, I don't want to wear this scent all day. Maybe a little whiff of it, but all right, let me put some water on my face. Wow, just that little bit that was right there. Works in nicely. That's what I ended up with. Pretty good lather. Going on, feels a little light. Smell is good. It smells like a barber shop. Which that must be sandalwood. Never knew that. Yeah, this is, I think I added too much water. Back into this. Wow, it does create a nice lather. Impressive. The smell, it smells good. I don't know, I'll have to get her opinion on it. See what she says. Not that that's a bad thing. Actually, I'm going to say it smells like you just got out of the barber shop. I shouldn't say, yeah, it smells like you just got out of the barber shop, you know, and they cleaned up your neckline and all that. All right, so number 6 plate, Rockwell 6C with a Nacet blade. First pass, I'm going to go with the growth. That's a pretty good pass. Got to remember there's a number 6 plate in here, because this could be a bloody mess. All right, let's see. I'm going very light pressure, letting the razor do all the work here. And what I mean by that, kind of like when, you know, when you're golfing, you want to hold your toothpaste bottle in your hand, but you don't want it to squirt out. I mean, that's how much I'm holding it, or that's how hard I'm holding this razor in my hands. Therefore, I won't press down as hard. Put some more on my neck, because I'm slow. Yeah, that's some pretty nice soap already, I can tell. With the green. That was a great pass for me. All right. Let me give this a rinse. Okay, first pass. Really good. Yeah. Neck. You know, I always have to take 2 passes down there. I mean, that Gillette Nacet is doing a wonderful job in the number 6 plate in this Rockwell 6C. This soap is, or cream, is really nice. Wow. Easy to create a lather. Easier than Sterling soaps. I hate to say it. I like that soap, but wow. This is really easy. I mean, normally my second pass, I can't get any lather on my face. Yeah, maybe it's about the same. Across the green. Well, that's a beautiful pass there. Wow. Real nice. Might have found a winner with this number 6 plate. Ooh, a little close there. Yeah, like that. All right, cross grain cheek line. Okay, cross grain neck. A little dry there, but this soap is very slick. I mean, very slick. Oh, cross grain. Yeah, that's good. Wow, I got to tell you, yeah, I can see why everybody likes this and recommends it. That's 2 passes. I mean, that's almost BBS. Besides down here, this is the area there. I might be able to go 2 passes with this Nacet blade on the number 6 plate. I'm definitely BBS up top. I feel a mild aggression on my skin from that blade and plate. I think that's to be expected because, you know, it's supposed to be aggressive. Let's go final pass here against the grain. Wow. Must be too much water on my face. It's interesting. Let's try that again. Yeah, it wants to skip. I think because it's glass-like. Yeah, same thing over here. Never had a razor or a blade do that yet. Have you guys? Now, granted, I mean, this lather isn't as thick as it was to begin with, but I just did a beard reduction on my face and there's no hair. There's nothing for it to bond to. And a little more of that. Yeah, I think that's about as thick as I can get it. Against the grain. And went through there fine. That was a pretty good shave. Let me clean out. Okay, man. What a shave that was. Wow. BBS. Squeaky clean. Can you hear that? Crazy. Okay. Wow. I think that's my new setup. Damn. This soap with the Rockwell 6C. Holy schmolies. 6 plate. Forget about it. That is awesome. Let me run an on block on my face here. Oh, I'm really impressed. Nothing up top. A little bit right here. A little right here. Yeah, a little right there. I think that's from the aggression of the blade, or the razor, I should say. Yeah, stinging down here. But man, it got it so close. I don't think I've ever had a shave that close before. Wow. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Let me go in with the Nivea. Love this stuff. Don't know how this is going to go with that sandalwood. You know what? I might just put this on my head because I want to see what she thinks about this sandalwood. I don't really want to mess that scent up. So, my conclusion, hey, forget about it. Okay. This Rockwell 6C with a number 6 plate in it, and this Nacet, Gillette Nacet blade, forget about it. That's the best shave I've ever had. I mean, look how, that's glass. I mean, it's a perfect shave. I am so happy. I am still going to give away some of these Nacet blades, so if you want to get in the drawing, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll put you in it, and I'll give quite a few of these away. But hey, you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.